What's the meaning of Argentinian? Argentinian. Argentinian.
Argentinian. Argentinian. Argentinian refers to someone or something related to Argentina, a South American country known for its diverse landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and love of football. The term is often used to describe the people, culture, food, and other aspects of life in Argentina. Argentinians are proud of their country's history and traditions, which include tango dancing, beef consumption, and mate tea drinking. Many famous Argentinians have contributed to the arts, politics, sports, and science, such as Eva Perón, Lionel Messi, Jorge Luis Borges, and René Favaloro. Overall, Argentinian represents a vibrant and complex identity that reflects Argentina's unique character and diversity.